Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hi, welcome to the unboxing video of the Micro Scooter Luggage Junior. I am Yannick, product designer at Micro Mobility Systems, and today I'm guiding you through the handling and functions of the Micro Scooter Luggage Junior. Let's start with a short and simple explanation. What is the Micro Scooter Luggage Junior? The Micro Luggage Junior is a two-in-one children's product combining a scooter and a luggage. Therefore, the perfect companion for the little ones. The children's suitcase with built-in kickboard can be driven, pulled, or pushed. Pushing offers a significant ergonomic advantage for the child by reducing the stress on the wrists and the muscles. Thanks to the height adjustable handlebar, the product grows with your child and accompanies him or her up to primary school age. The Micro Luggage Junior can be transformed from a trolley to a kickboard and vice versa in a flash, thanks to a simple handle which I will show you later in detail. Its compact dimensions make it easy to take along your several journeys with your child. From now, the little ones can transport their favorite toys themselves, and parents can relax and enjoy the trip. Let's look into the details of the Micro Scooter Luggage Junior. As the scooter luggage is multifunctional, I will first show you the different setups and functions. To get to the push function, in which the child can push the product from the handlebar, you have to make sure that the kickstand wheel is out. This unique push function offers the child a significant ergonomic advantage. Then comes the pull function. To get the scooter into the pull function, you have to make sure the kickstand wheel is in. Now the child can simply pull the luggage in the usual way. The third and most fun setup of this product is the scooter function. To unfold the scooter luggage, you have to pull up the handle here and let the footboard down. Make sure it is fully unfolded and secured. After that, the child can drive around with the Micro Scooter luggage just like any other scooter and carry their own luggage. At Micro, our products follow three main guidelines: safety, fun, and durability. As safety is very important for you and your child, we made sure to provide visibility in the dark thanks to the built-in moonlight LED wheels, and in the back, a rear reflector. As soon as the scooter starts moving, the wheels will start shining thanks to the built-in dynamo system. This means no need for batteries. We are very proud of this product. It combines the qualities of a great scooter with those of a practical piece of luggage and promises to take your kids' travel to a new level of excitement and comfort. Thanks for joining me, and see you soon.
It sound right, boy.